I'm from a company called INOX. INOX is an engineering company for door locks and the locking solutions. We're also a manufacturer of beautiful, sorry, I have control 4 in my house, and it's awesome.
We need it right now. We need it right now.
That's right. So, fantastic. Yes. Thank you, Karen. We're also a manufacturer of beautiful trims using high-quality material, as well as some of the very creative finishes. But today I'm going to talk about an innovative and revolutionary product for sliding doors. So sliding doors has been gaining its popularity, and one of the major reasons is the space efficiency. So a sliding door can increase usable space by 30 square feet compared to a swing door. Now, last time I looked, an apartment building's average price in San Francisco is, anybody know?
Crazy.
$1,200 per square foot. And this is amazing. So now you can do a math, 30 square foot for changing every swing door to a sliding door. Sliding door also have these advantages of giving you a wider and easier access, space expansions, flexibilities. So in today's trend, when there's a lot of projects where in senior living or your residential healthcare or even retail spaces, when comfort, when space is important, when privacy, safety are all the important stuff to consider in your space planning, you want to consider sliding doors. But why aren't we not seeing a lot of sliding doors around? And one of the main reasons is there has been lacking of locking solutions for sliding doors. So INOX invented this barn door lock 2 years ago, and I was on the stage talking about it. And so the last 2 years, we invented another door lock called the INOX auto locking mortise lock specific for sliding doors. So this lock has a self-latching function, and that's a very critical function. So when the door is closed, it hits the jamb, and this deadbolt comes out and automatically locks that sliding door. It can keep it locked or just latched. So if you want to, say, combine your home office with, say, a living room and open it up and make it a yoga place or something, now you can do that. But at night, you can still close it, and you can even lock it, so that your kids may not go in, or you can keep it as a private space. It also have an auto locking function. So as soon as you close, it's always locked. And say it's for your wine cellar. You don't want your 17-year-old gets into it, when you're not looking. Then it has something we call emergency egress. It's a single action egress where the lock, anybody from inside can always open that lever and get out of the door for safety reasons. So these three configurations, it might not sound very big. It's a bite, right? It's a design bite. Our engineers have to figure out how to put the springs, the shafts, the cams together, fit into this little tiny locks. But for us, it has a huge impact. These configurations allow us to provide 5 of the most common functions, which covers 95% of all applications that today only a swing door can achieve. Your builders will tell you. But now with these innovative products, sliding door can be utilized. And that will give you so much possibilities, a whole new world in your space planning. Remember that 30 square foot of savings, right? So lastly, INOX has tons of trims that are available. We can produce custom trims. We have lots of innovative finishes that we are showing, including something called Ceramax. So you're welcome to come to our booth at 314, which is really not far from here.
Right.
And we can talk about these exciting locks.
Awesome.